other key thing is, this is where you're going to have to involve a knowledgeable healthcare practitioner like those of us at Forum Health. Hi, this is Dr. Connie Casebolt at Forum Health Greenville, and I'm here today to talk about what preventive measures women can take to stay healthy. Now, some of these apply to men, of course, so we'll just start with the basics, which is lifestyle. You want to make sure your diet's cleaned up. There's a lot of evidence to show that any kind of processed food, so that would be white flour products, sugars, oils, and fried foods, any kind of processed foods, is going to shorten your life. More cancer, more heart disease. So clean up your diet and make sure you're eating whole foods that are healthy. Also make sure you're getting enough sleep. That's foundational. Your brain cannot detox and repair without enough sleep. And also you have to make time for daily exercise. And you want that to be a combination of some resistance with muscles, getting those muscles working, and also cardiovascular. So brisk walking or bicycling or swimming, something like that. There are certain key things that until you're tested, you don't know whether they're low or high, because some of these are asymptomatic. You've got to make sure your vitamin D is therapeutic range, your B12, make sure your iron, which is a ferritin level. We want to make sure your inflammatory markers are in the normal range. We don't want you to have inflammation, so that's a CRP level. We want to measure a marker called homocysteine, which, if that's not optimal, can actually increase your risk for things like heart disease and dementia, and also your hormones. So no later than age 40, women should get their hormones checked annually. The most accurate time is on day 21 of your cycle, assuming your cycles are 28 days. And then as you approach later in your 40s, you will eventually start going through perimenopause, and keep getting those hormones checked, because the hormones go down in an uneven fashion. Often the testosterone will start declining first, followed by the progesterone. And when those two hormones go down and you're left with more estrogen, relatively speaking, that's what we call estrogen dominance. And that's why women in their 40s will have a higher risk of breast cancers, because they don't have the balancing hormones for that estrogen. And of course, once you are completely through menopause, you will want to, for your long-term health, your immune system, your heart health, your bone health, your mental health, for many, many reasons, you're going to want to get on a lifetime program of bioidentical hormone replacement. I cannot emphasize how important it is to stay on hormones. So those are my tips for today. If you want to have preventive medicine, you got to take care of all of those things. We hope to see you soon here in the office.
Hi, Dr. Saxena here, Chief Medical Officer at Forum Health. Thanks for visiting our channel. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest insights and information on functional and integrative medicine.